primordial vibration that's pulsing within inside each and every one of you here tonight. Say, thank you, Jesus. Shut up, I can't hear myself drink. And now let's have a big Cotton Club welcome for Right as Rain.
You hold the world in your hand. With every breath, another grain of sand. Rivers that rush and winds that blow. And I think I'm telling you, there's something they should know. All the world I give to you. All the world to you. That place inside was the heart to fill. When they took each other, and they always will. In the dark of the night, I believe. See these words, they come right back to me. All the world I give to you. All the world to you. All the world I give to you. All the world to you. You hold the world in your hand. With every breath, another grain of sand. In the dark of the night, I believe. See these words, they come right back to me. All the world I give to you. All the world to you. All the world I give to you. All the world to you. All this world I give to you. All this world to you. Thanks a lot. talk much, he won't give much, he won't do much anymore. Look at now, he's coming soon, the man is there in the moon. Look out now, he's coming very soon. I think that Dr. Cohen is dead, so gone, so dead. I think that Dr. Cohen is dead, so gone, so dead. His name is printed in the window. I stand and look up from below. There's nothing there, I think you know. Yes, you know. I see a light up in the window. Yes, I do. I think I don't know. Just a shadow plays the man. Watch it go. I think that Dr. Cohen is dead, so gone, so dead. I think that Dr. Cohen is dead, so gone, so dead. He don't know what he wants. He don't like what he sees. He don't know what he wants. I think that Dr. Cohen is dead, so gone, so dead. I think that Dr. Cohen is dead, so gone, so dead. I think that Dr. Cohen is dead, so gone, so dead. I think that Dr. Cohen is dead, so gone, so dead. I think that Dr. Cohen is dead, so gone, so dead. Thank you very much. We'll call Right as Rain. Here's our namesake, a tune called Rain. Somewhere in this place tonight, Thank y'all. One of these days, we really are going to have a record come out. I know it's true. It's been in the can for almost a year now, and maybe for the 1-year anniversary, we'll have it out and in the stores. We'll have it in the can. Here's a country song of sorts. This is called A Girl Like Jesus. Thank you. the same half. There's not room there anymore. Something in the mirror is always nearer than it appears. Trust these words are true to you. Highway, 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 highway. Look out my bus window when her ground comes by. I'm always cold now. Nothing ever changes for the fluid sky. If things are, they are the way they are. Highway, 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 highway. He runs, he runs, he runs, he runs so far. We were born in the same place, never learning face to face. Something in the mirror is always nearer than it appears. Trust these words are true to you. Highway, 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 highway. Get it! All righty, thank you. That's Brendan O'Brien over there on the guitar. Bud O'Brien. Back on the drum set is Mr. Bruce Thelkeld. In the spotlight, Bruce, acknowledge your fans. Over here on the bass fiddle is James St. James. Smiling Jimmy. My name is Rick Taylor. Thanks for coming to see our group. Here's a thought for the new year. This is called If the World. Is this the world we know? Is this the world? Is this the world? And you were wanting to know, and you were waiting to go. Am I just simple thinking for you? Can it be any other way? Is this the world we know? Is this the world? Is this the world? what you are to me, something that you won't ever be, something that you have never been. Everything is not frustration, but everything is not kind. I know there's something in this place. There is a beauty here for something. Is this the world we know? Is this the world? Is this the world? Is this the world we know? Is this the world? Is this the world? You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. And you were wanting to know, and you were waiting to go. Am I just simple thinking for you? Can it be any other way? Is this the world we know? Is this the world? Is this the world? Is this the world we know? Is this the world? Is this the world? The Suck it up. Here's our Summer of Love tune. I know something about it. I know something about you too. No, I never will tell it, even when the words ring true. And I someone looks like you. Always want them to be you. Your time is cut from another stone. The stone that started starts to bleed. Something went wrong. Something went bad. Something went wrong. Something went bad. Even voice, a telling voice, makes a rhythm for my room. I didn't do what you wanted me to, and time stood still. Time stood still when good men prayed. Thanks a lot. That was called Something Happened. Here's a song called Understand. About yesterday, you had it made, but that was yesterday. You've got to wake up every morning anyway. You've got to shake up those around you. You had a dream, but it slipped away. Scheme has seen its day. Come on, step back into the world. Refuse to let it confuse or confound you. Understand, it's hard to understand. Understand, why can't you understand? Understand? Why can't they just understand? We all know growing up and down go hand in hand. So why can't they understand? So hard to understand. Understand? Why can't they just understand? We all know growing up and down go hand in hand. So why can't they understand? So why can't they understand? So why can't they understand? It can take you, pull you down below. It can take you, never let you go. It can take you down below the ground, down so far you won't ever hear a sound. Now we need to bring out a special guest. Bob Elsey, if you're there. Bob Elsey, highly paid session guitarist. Bob Elsey, come up here in the spotlight for a minute. Bob Elsey, master golfer, linksman Bob Elsey. Read about him, know about him, make him your own. He is a man and a guitarist to be reckoned with. Bob Elsey from the Swimming Pool Cues. Notice with Bob Elsey the custom footwear. That was beautiful. Brendan O'Brien, guitar solo. Well, here's a song about our beautiful little city. This one I'd like to send out to all those fish wrappers that reckon themselves as legitimate efforts of journalism. And anyway, this song is called Our Town. will be our last musical selection of the evening. I'd like to thank y'all for coming. This is sort of a trip song that I'd like to send out to John Bunyan, the man who wrote Pilgrim's Progress. I'm sure you all knew that. Anyway, this song features a couple of my favorite guitarists right here, Brendan O'Brien and Bob Elsey. This really gives them a chance to flock the bishop in public. It's called Judson Choir. Judson stood upon the shore and stared across the sea. Images flashed through his mind of a land he'd never seen. A land he'd never seen.